Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a marvelous, wonderful week. And you guys already know what time it is. It's Pandora! Yes, it is Pandora time. Happy birthday, you Pisces. I'm one myself. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy March Madness. But anyways, I'm going to show you some charms that I decided to pick up and grab. So let's get right into it. So one of the charms that I grabbed was a clover. And happy St. Patty's Day to you guys who celebrated, who loves green. And happy birthday to the Pisces, because I'm a Pisces myself. But this clover, to me, it represents good luck and also March Madness. And I really like the emerald green of this piece and the beautiful little silver spots right there in the middle. I think I want to get maybe more, like 10. Like I might make a dangle charm with more of these, but at the time I think that we had like 3 left. So I'm like, okay, let me just get one and let me see what I would like to do. And honestly, I would kind of like to make an all green bracelet, because to me, March represents water and earthy kind of touches, and I feel like the clover just go perfectly with it. So I love this piece. Now, this piece also comes in gold, but I think it might be a little bit smaller for like the smaller charms, if you guys are interested in it. But yeah, this is so beautiful. I love this one. Very nice. Very. So another piece that I wasn't really anticipating on picking up, but when I saw it in person, I said, no, I want it, is the anchor. It's a beautiful gold piece with cute diamonds. And to me, when I first see an anchor, the first person I think about is Popeye the Sailor Man for some reason, or like a large ship and you're trying to hold it. But honestly, an anchor to me represents being a bold person, having strength, having character, being strong. And I feel like we go through a lot during our lives, and we get up each day and we continue pushing forward. And I feel like this charm definitely represents that. So I definitely wanted to grab this charm for my next bracelet. So beautiful. Now this charm was a little bit random. I saw it online and I saw that it was the last one, but let me show you what's the kicker of this charm. Hold on for one moment. The kicker of this charm is the door opens and you see Sully is on the side with James, and then you have Boo sitting right in the middle at the door. And Monster Inc. is one of my favorite Disney films because it has a lot of messages and believing in yourself. And I was not going to go without having this charm. For the longest, I've wanted a monster charm, but for some reason I always forget to grab it when I go. But when I saw it online, I was like, no, I have to go to the store to get it. Because I think it was only like maybe 1 or 2 left, but you couldn't have it ordered. So I said, no, I'm going to go grab it. And I really just love the details and touch of the characters, the colors. It's just beautiful. It just brings everything together. I love how this one hides at the top and this one's on the side, and the detail is just very fascinating with this piece. So yeah, I'm digging this one. So this piece is something that I've definitely been eyeing, and I was trying to wait until I go to New York to get it, but I was not. When I saw it, I said, you know what, let me grab it right now. So these are 3 charms on this piece, and you got a taxi cab, the Statue of Liberty, and of course the Big Apple. And I'm talking about New York, the gateway to all gateways, the diversity. Everybody who enters from any different country always enter through New York, or what I've heard. So I definitely grabbed this piece because I don't know, I'm just fascinated with New York. You know, the fast-paced trains, the taxis, you know, movie stars, writers, a whole combo. And also one of my favorite series, Sex and the City. So I definitely had to grab it. It's giving me Carrie, Charlotte, Miranda, and Samantha kind of vibes. And if you know, you know. And if you haven't seen Sex and the City, you should definitely look at it. But this is the vibe it's giving me. And I definitely grabbed this one. But I love it. So cute. And I love the detail of the Statue of Liberty. Yeah, guys. So those are the charms that I decided to pick up this lovely March. And I thought the ink charm for the longest. All the times I've been going in and out of Pandora. And, you know, I'm not thinking about it. And then just crossed my mind like, hey, I'm going to go in there and get what I need. And I'm very happy it was still there. But those are the charms I picked up. I'm not sure what's going to be my next bracelet, but I want to kind of go for like maybe an Easter theme because Easter is coming up right around the corner. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this channel and showing the support. And I want to know what you guys are rocking on your charms. What new charms are out there that I don't know about because I want to know. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Take care. And most importantly, take care of each other. See you guys.